the default administrator user account is disabled by default. Now I'm going to show you how to enable it. Right click on Start menu, click on Computer Management. Here expand local users and groups. Click on Users. This is on the administrator user. Right click on Administrator and click on Properties. By default, the administrator account is disabled. Click here to uncheck. Click to apply and click OK. Administrator account is enabled right now. Now I'm going to check. Close Computer Management. Click on Start menu. Click on Current User Profile here. The administrator account is showing here right now. Now you can switch to administrator account. Now you can easily sign into administrator account to your Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.